Hi guys, it's Sam from Paragon Angling, and today I've got another tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to tie the Uni Knot, also known as the Duncan's Loop or the Gallows Knot. This knot's usually tied on fluorocarbon or monofilament line and is used a lot by Jeremy Wade, the fisherman on River Monsters. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Take your line and thread it through the component that you wish to tie. Step 2. Create a loop which also resembles the number 6. Step 3. You take your tag end and you wrap it around the two lines 6 to 8 times. Step 4. Give it a little pull to hold it in place and moisten the line. Step 5. Pull on the main line to form the knot. And step 6. Remove your tag end. And there you've tied the Uni Knot.